For week 9, lesson 3, problem solving involving systems of linear equation in two variables by elimination. So, dun sa ating previous videos, yung ating mga binanggit na problems are number problem and geometric problem. So, this time, we will deal with another kind of problem, that is motion problem. Okay? So, but before that, i-define natin what is an elimination method. How can we use this kind of method in solving word problems, which it involves systems of linear equation in two variables. So, as we all know, elimination by addition or subtraction is an algebraic method to solve a system of linear equations. Before using the technique, the equations should be in standard form, and the standard form is ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are integers, and both a and b are not equal to 0. Take note of that. So, let's do the practice. So, gaya ng na-mention ko kanina, ang ating problem na isosolve today is a motion problem. So, the problem is, it takes 2 hours for a boat to travel 48 kilometers downstream and 30 kilometers upstream for 3 hours. Find the speed of the boat in still water. Okay, so in this kind of problem, we're dealing with the current of the water. So pag sinabing downstream, obviously, mas mabilis yung pag-travel ng boat. Correct? Kasi yung current niya ay sumasabay lang sa flow ng tubig. Unlike upstream, there is a force or there is also a current that will, yung kumbaga, pababagalin niya yung takbo ng boat. Okay? So, yon. Ang ating hahanapin is yung speed ng boat in still water. Okay? So, we need to represent each given unknown. So, gagamit tayo ng different variables. Common variables na ginagamit natin ay x and y. So, your x represent of the rate of the boat in still water, and y is the rate of current. Okay? So, the rate of the boat downstream will be x plus y. Okay? Since the boat travels with the current when it goes downstream. So, we can use some table. Okay? So, sa downstream natin, so gaya ng sabi ko, this is a motion problem. Kaya meron tayong speed is equal to, okay, ano yung formula to get the speed? Distance times, distance over time, d over t. Tama? So, when you are downstream, the rate is x plus y. It will be addition since, gaya ng sabi ko, mabilis yung takbo, pababa siya, sasabay lang yung bangka doon sa current ng tubig. Unlike upstream, there will be a force na magpapabagal sa takbo ng bangka. So, that is minus. Kaya, x minus y. At ang oras ng downstream na nabanggit sa problem ay 2 hours. Unlike sa upstream, aabot ng 3 hours. At ang distance ng downstream ay within 48 kilometers, while upstream has the distance of 30 kilometers. So, based on the table, we can now construct an equation of each. So, sa first equation natin, magkakaroon tayo ng quantity x plus y multiplied to 2 is equal to 48. Saan galing ang first equation na yan? Remember the formula in getting the rate. So, remember, rate is equal to d over t. So, since distance is given, so if we are looking for the distance, the formula to get the distance is equal to rate times time. So, the rate is x plus y times the time which is positive 2. So, ganyan po na-construct yung equation na yan. So, same lang din doon sa upstream. So, pagsisimplify natin further, yung equation 1, okay, equation 1, i-rewrite ko dito sa baba, we can have the distributive property of multiplication. So, i-rewrite natin. X plus Y is the rate, 2 is the time. 48 is the distance. So, i-distribute natin by multiplication si time. Magkakaroon tayo ng 2x plus 2y equals 48. Yan. But then, as you observe, it is actually divisible by 2. So, sa umpisa pa lang, pwede na tayo mag-divide ng 2. So, divide it by 2. So, magkakaroon tayo ng x plus y equals 24. So, ito ngayon yung magiging new equation. Galing siya sa equation number 1. Same lang din doon sa equation number 2. So, sa equation number 2, ganito na ang gawin natin nang hindi natin dinidistribute yung 3 na time doon sa ating rate. Mag-divide na tayo in both sides by 3 to make it short. So, 3 divided by 3 ay 1. So, magkakaroon tayo ng x minus y equals 10. Yan yung ating new equation galing sa equation number 2. So, i-rewrite ko yung new equation na galing equation number 1. So, this is 24. So, the system obtained x plus y equals 24, x minus y equals 10. So, using elimination method, you observe that we can eliminate the variable y since the coefficients of the variable y are opposite. Positive 1 yung nasa unahan, negative 1 yung nasa pangalawa. So, we can actually eliminate variable y. Then, proceed to addition. Okay, now proceed to addition. So, x plus x is 2x. 24 plus 10 is 34. So, okay. Let's see. 2x is equal to 34 divided by 2, both sides. X is equal to 17. So, we already have the value of x. Kung tinatanong natin, hanapin natin yung variable y, we can use equation 1 or equation 2. So, yung new equation natin kanina na x plus y equals 24, we can actually substitute, okay, substitute na natin yung value ng variable x dito, plus y equals 24. So, subtraction property of equality, we can have 24 minus 17 is 7. So, your y is 7. But then, going back to the problem, we are looking for the rate of the boat in still water. So, it means 17 kilometers per hour is the rate of the boat in still water. And the rate of the current is 7. So, 17 kph. The rate of the boat in still water.